Are you in need of a roof replacement in Timnath? Look no further than Denny's Roofing, LLC, your trusted local roofing company. Our experienced professionals is dedicated to providing high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. Whether you need a complete roof replacement in Timnath, Colorado, or just a simple repair, we have the skills and expertise to get the job done right. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we understand that your home is one of your most valuable assets, and we take pride in helping you protect it. With our attention to detail and commitment to quality, you can trust us to deliver a roof that is not only functional, but also beautiful and long-lasting. We use only the best materials and techniques to ensure that your roof is built to withstand the harsh Colorado weather. From the moment you contact us, you can expect friendly and professional service from our team. We will work closely with you to understand your needs and provide a customized solution that fits your budget and timeline. Our goal is to exceed your expectations and leave you completely satisfied with the work we do. So why wait? Contact us now at 970-545-0099 and let us help you protect your home with a new, high-quality roof. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/timnath-roofing-company to schedule your free estimate. Let Denny's Roofing, LLC take care of all your roofing needs.